Welcome to English Blackboard Teacher channel. Welcome to Teacher's English lesson. Today I will be presenting a simple tutorial on the topic tenses. We have three important tenses and they are written on the blackboard. Now let's get to know each tenses. The first tense is simple present tense. It indicates what is happening now. What is happening to you now at the current moment. So you should use is or are. Simple past tense indicates an event or an incident that is over, finished, completed, happened. We can use verbs like was, were, words like last week, yesterday, ed, and many more to indicate past tense. Simple future tense shows what is going to happen or what will happen to us in the future. We must use will and words like tomorrow, next month, next year. Let's look at a simple timeline. What happened to you in 2019 is simple past tense. What is going to happen to you in 2021 is simple future tense. And what is happening to you now in 2020 at the present time is simple present tense. That is all for today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to English Blackboard Teacher channel to get updated with latest tutorials. For resources, click on the link in the description box. We'll see students in the next lesson. Thank you.